This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on PlayStation. Follow these simple steps to ensure you complete your request successfully. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your PlayStation account on your console or through the PlayStation website. Make sure you have the necessary credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once logged in, go to the Wallet section. This can usually be found in the account settings or main menu, depending on the device you are using. Step 3. Check payout eligibility. Review the eligibility criteria for payouts. Ensure that you meet all requirements, such as minimum balance or account status, to qualify for payout. Step 4. Request payout. Locate the option to request a payout within the Wallet section. Follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and select your preferred payout method. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Double-check all the information you have entered, including the payout amount and method. Once everything is correct, confirm your request and submit it for processing. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation of your payout request. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the status of your payout.